Have you always wanted to start a small business but are unsure where to begin? Do you love organizing business activities and impacting people's lives? And do you have a burning passion for becoming a business person but need funds to start? Let bygones be bygones, because if you try one of the 15 business ideas we'll tell you about in this video. With 32.5 million small businesses running in full swing in the US, there's no shortage of business ideas to try. But we've chosen the top 15 ones that you can make the most money out of. YouTube offers video creators a perfect platform to showcase their skill set to the target audience. No wonder the world of YouTube has much to offer, from cooking channels to online courses, motivational channels, and many others. And just like that, you can create a YouTube channel too, for free. All you need is equipment like a good camera and excellent lighting for recording your intended content. You'll also need video editing software like Apple iMovie, Adobe After Effects, etc. And now for the profitability edge creating a YouTube channel offers. Although you'll start at nothing, you can monetize your content through advertising. For that, you can join the YouTube Partner Program to get paid through advertisements on your page. One of the most profitable small business ideas in 2023 is blogging. Blogging generates content that provides value, educates people, and informs them about a particular subject. It's a form of content marketing that can help you reap long-term rewards. Though you may not see immediate profits once your income starts, there won't be anything stopping it. So, what can you write in your blog? The answer is literally anything. Write about the possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing refers to earning passive income by promoting a retailer's or brand's products to your audience. Every time someone buys through the links you post on your website or social media profile, you'll receive a commission. How can you do that? By researching the relevant audience according to the brand you choose, finding a product you want to review, and generating an affiliate link, posting a review on Facebook, and adding a link to buy the product. It might take some time before people start trusting your reviews and buying from those links, but once the trust builds, you can earn the most profits as an affiliate marketer. Not many know this, but copywriting is becoming a giant in digital marketing. If you've seen Apple's copy on product releases, you'll understand the power of the written word. You can learn copywriting as it doesn't require a specific educational background. Once you do, you can use this creative art form to write, and much more. If you hail from an accounting and finance background, you can earn by becoming a bookkeeper at home. Since businesses must keep their financial records up to date, you can offer your expert services to ensure just that. As a bookkeeper, you can assist with preparing reports for investors or anyone requiring specific financial data for a business. It's one of the most profitable businesses because it gives you the freedom to work from home and at your pace. Besides, companies are willing to outsource this specific job rather than hire an in-house resource because it's not a full-time job. So by starting a bookkeeping business, you can cater to several clients at once. Did you know that cleaning can earn you up to? In a month, it sums up to $1,600, but that's just the start. Once you build up an empire, you can fix your rates, hire a cleaning squad, and offer services to commercial and residential sectors. As one of the most neglected businesses, it's the most profitable should you consider it in 2023. Things slowed down for tourism during the pandemic, but now things are rapidly moving back to normal. So what better way to start a new business than by offering travel-related services? You can provide online reservations for train and airplane tickets and hotel reservations, or collaborate with other travel agents for commissions on every reservation. It doesn't need prior expertise or funds to set up an office. Instead, you can start making money at home. Food lovers, this one is for you. With this business idea, you can transform your passion into generating money. Start small, see how it goes, and then expand. You won't be at a loss because you'll be doing what you love. And it can be anything from opening a coffee shop to making bakery goods or offering fast food. You'll love this business idea if you're a fan of meeting new people and visiting new places. Event planning is about helping people organize an event when they want. So you'll need excellent connections with caterers, decorators, and the likes. You can also choose your area of expertise, whether you wish to plan wedding events, corporate, or an all-under-one-roof business. As long as you're an expert in a specific field, you can benefit from this business. Start by finding what you're good at. Ask yourself if you're confident in sharing your knowledge. Research the most frequently asked questions in that subject, and then align your course around it. You can offer online courses via teaching platforms, YouTube, or Zoom. Digital marketing revolves around making brands known on the web. Since there's no shortage of new businesses left, right, and center, everyone is looking for recognition. You can leverage this growing need by starting a digital marketing agency. Promote services like branding, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. Eventually, you'll be among the top small businesses earning profits in 2023. Influencers are all the rage in digital media, and not without reason. You can become one if you wish to influence people about a particular product. Start by researching the underserved products and share your knowledge about them. For example, if there's a beauty brand you think everyone should follow, create awareness content about it, including its benefits, how it helped you, and how it can help others. It's rewarding to see people following your advice in terms of monetary gains and emotions. Another profitable business, renting goods, can help you build your reputation in the market. Since buying products is not everyone's cup of tea, you can embark on a small but thriving business with this. Search about the things local people are looking for. Most often, it's cars, holiday rentals, or even tools. You can become a reseller in two ways. Both are profitable, but the latter requires more effort because you'll have to invest your time to fix the issues and make the items presentable. As a reseller, you can get the desired products at a discount in bulk and resell by setting your prices. Lastly, we have pet sitting. The USA is full of pet owners, primarily dogs and cats. And since people have work and social life to attend to, pet sitters are always in demand. The only thing you need to become a pet sitter is a love for animals and training to care for different pet breeds. So, which business ideas do you think you're the best fit to try in 2023? And do you have any others on your list? Comment below and subscribe to our channel for business tips, motivational videos, and much more.